Okay, let's turn now to weather with meteorologist Zoe Mintz. Zoe, I know you've been talking about this rain coming, but it doesn't seem like much. I don't know.
No, don't get
1/100 of an
excited.
inch?
A hundredth of an inch, if that. Don't
What is
again.
that? Like just a little,
It's a sprinkle. It's a little mist. It's a
Okay,
little something, something to wet the ground, wet the
Sure,
soil,
okay.
and help with our wildfire season. That's really what this is going to be. Helpful rainfall, beneficial. I mean, I wouldn't even call it rain. It will be, again, a very, very light mist out there. But the moral of the story is to appreciate today while you can, because today you would not even guess that there is any rain on the way. Tomorrow, it's going to feel a lot different, though. So early this morning, appreciate, enjoy the beautiful sunrise to kick off our day. By tomorrow, again, it's not going to be nearly as sunny or nearly as nice out there. A gorgeous view of the Golden Gate Bridge again tomorrow. She's going to be covered in a lot more fog. Temperatures right now are chilly, low 50s to even mid 40s out there. And the reason is because of lack of cloud coverage, because clouds overnight, they act like a blanket. They insulate us. So without cloud coverage, the heat from yesterday was allowed to escape, and we're actually a bit cooler today than yesterday morning. But by the afternoon hours, we're going to be a couple of degrees warmer than yesterday. We're going to be in the mid to upper 60s. If you're heading out to any of the many festivals going on in San Francisco, really lovely weather out there. It won't be as breezy today as yesterday. We could be seeing a 20, 25 mile an hour wind gust, but better than the 35 mile an hour wind gust that we felt yesterday. So today, it's definitely going to be a nicer weather day before that storm system moves in. And it's really interesting that we can literally see the cloud coverage from the storm that is on the way just by looking at our satellite imagery. This is what is going to be impacting us by as soon as tomorrow. So this afternoon, let's appreciate and enjoy all of the sunshine across California, because again, things are going to be taking a relatively big change by as soon as tomorrow. There's going to be more widespread cloud coverage arriving by late tonight and into tomorrow. And then the potential for rain moves in, mainly across Northern California. But there is the chance, the little chance for some of that rain to head our way. Let's take a closer look at what we can expect here in the Bay Area, because again, today, although maybe an extra couple of clouds out there this afternoon, there is still going to be plenty of sunshine. Don't forget the sunscreen, the sunglasses, heat safety across our inland areas, especially because mid 80s out there. That's hot, not as hot as what we have been feeling, but still enjoy the more summer-like weather. Mid to upper 70s for areas by the bay and mid to upper 60s along the coast. By tomorrow, though, this is when we'll be expecting the more widespread cool down. Look at that, going from those deeper reds and oranges to the mid to lower 70s, even across our inland areas. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe it was a bit warmer in Fairfield, but either way, tomorrow it is going to be significantly cooler, about 5 to 10 degrees below average. And again, the reason is because the chance for rain is going to be heading our way, mainly across the northernmost parts of our North Bay communities and directly along the coast. Again, not heavy rain, not widespread rain, but if we do see any, it will be a mist. It will be maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch. And the numbers that I'm about to put up, I think, are honestly overdoing it. We could see, again, low-hanging cloud coverage bringing a hundredth of an inch widespread across the Bay Area. But I would say the better chance to actually picking up rainfall will be from Half Moon Bay up to Pacifica, Point Reyes, and even downtown San Francisco. 200ths of an inch maximum. We'll take what we can get, because again, that does help with our wildfire season, and it's going to quickly move out by Tuesday afternoon and into Wednesday. We'll be heating right back up. In fact, 10 to 15 degrees warmer by Wednesday and into Thursday. This might even be our warmest air mass of the entire season. Upper 90s returning to our inland areas, likely going to be well above that triple-digit mark across the Central Valley. So get ready for the heat. Get ready for a lot drier weather on the way mid to late this upcoming week. Even along the coast, we're going to be in the mid 70s. So again, a little something for everybody over the next 7 days. Let's appreciate what we can. Back to you.